Assalamu alaikum. My name is Armagan Rahman, and these are my group members. And our group number is group number 5. So our topic is cloud clonography, distributed medical tested over cloud. So first we have the introduction. So this case study is about cloud clonography. Cloud clonography, the most significant obstacle to widespread use of the most recent screening technology as a replacement for traditional screening. Colonoscopy is the restricted number of internal CTC pictures accessible at a single medical facility. The lack of CTC training pictures severely limits the accuracy of an automated decision detection method. Many medical facilities employ a small number of CTC specialists whose CTC picture analysis abilities vary greatly. So we use CAD, computer-aided detection techniques, that specialists that semi-automatically detect troublesome injury in CTC pictures have been studied to solve these problems of different tumors, high detection tumors. So we propose a different framework dubbed cloud clonography, in which each institutional clonography database may be shared or uploaded to a cloud server. Using the distributed learning concept, each institution's CAD system may then be improved by adding fresh data from other learning models. The recommended cloud clonography architecture requires a thorough investigation to evaluate whether deploying these tools in a real-world context enhance the overall performance of CAD programs. So the parallelization of many databases in a cloud environment uses the processing power of public servers to execute categorization and data analysis on a huge number of extremely heterogeneous database sets in an efficient manner. So here is the picture of cloud server hosting, in which different clouds are communicating with the databases. Next page. So the next topic in our case study is cloud environments. Cloud clonography is a programming database and web server cloud computing platform. The underlying computer and storage resources grow automatically to match application demand, removing the need for the cloud user to manually allocate resources. The cloud framework of kernel principal component analysis, KPCA, for AMD presents the appropriate cloud framework. So there are two topics in this in cloud environments. One is the server application, and the other is the KPCA. So in cloud in cloud environments, there are two sections: server specification for cloud platforms and cloud framework for KPCA and AMD. Both of its performance, Amazon is recognized as the premier commercial cloud hosting provider in the first part. Because Microsoft and IBM do not support the MATLAB programming environment, we choose Amazon as our public cloud platform. The success of cloud clonography is mostly determined by the number of manageable datasets and processing capabilities of those enormous datasets. So the main problem with kernel feature analysis is determining how to choose a non-linear positive definite kernel for each polyp picture. In a cloud platform, we use kernel techniques. KPCA used a kernel to perform a linear principal component analysis of the converted picture, with the premise that the data image was centered so that the scatter matrix could be generated. So the KPCA might be expanded to include cloud architecture. AMD may be customized by combining datasets from different learning models. KPCA has a computational complexity of OLN2, where 1 signifies the number of features to be extracted and n is the rank of matrix K. Once we have our gram matrix, we may apply the KPCA. So here is the picture of a KPCA, how we can apply the KPCA. So the next topic is the AMD for cloud clonography. Mohammad Alibut will explain the topic.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Alibut, and my topic is AMD for cloud clonography. This section purposes the AMD method. Section 3.1 shows the overall concept of AMD for cloud environment. Section 3.2 explain more details on the design of AMD. 3.3 shows the two implement cases for the selected public and cloud environments, and section 3.4 shows the proposed parallelization. Here, the first topic, the 3.1 AMD concept. As shown, KPCA is used for the cloud clonography by analyzing PLOPs pictures with a nonlinear large feature space. We use KPCA to analyze individual datasets as well as group of datasets, as illustrated in figure KPCA, may be utilized in conjunction with AMD to synthesize separate databases into larger composite databases. From the planned cloud clonography platform, AMD aims is to format several remote databases into a single bigger databases. AMD is anticipated to address difficulties such as non-linearity and large datasets in order for CAD classification to work as it best. Kernels deals with the non-linear to linear projection, whereas PCA deals with the data size reduction. The next part explains how our proposed AMD kernel framework would be organized. So here you see that the 3.2 is the configuration, the data configuration of AMD. So we utilize the community cloud for cloud clonography to enable several hospitals with common CTC domains, data compliance and security HPA agreement to share infrastructure. Because the costs are distributed over fewer users than in a public cloud, only minor cost reduction are projected by examining data from different individual institutional databases via for illustrative processes. The AMD construction. Each database is separated in step 1. Numerous databases are combined in step 2. The combined databases are sorted in step 3, and the sorted databases are merged in the step 4. Individual steps will be explained as follows. The step 1 is splitting the data. For kernel enhancement, we split each databases by maximizing the Fisher scalar. The Fisher scalar is used to calculate the training data class reparability J in the map feature space. It written as J1 by 4 trace P1. This is the formula standing for the between class scatter matrices and SWL for within class scatter matrices. The class reparability by Fisher scalar may be started the fundamental kernel matrix PI. So here you see the diagram where the step 1 is to split the database, in the step 2 the combine the database, and in the step 3 the sorting the database, and the last step the merge the database. The usually gradient technique is used to optimize JLAL if the matrix N naught is not non-signal. The eigenvector that corresponds to the largest eigenvalue of this value is the optimum, or all that maximus the JLL. This is the formula. The optimal kernel function is determined by finding the kernel that yield the biggest eigenvalue. So here the maximum eigenvalue. So this JLAL can be maximized by selecting the eigenvector that corresponds to the maximum eigenvalue to arrive at the best solution. The eigenvectors associated with the selected eigenvalues represent each split dataset once the eigenvalues have been determined. In the step to combine, the combined databases, the conventional gradient technique is used to optimize JLAL. If the matrix N naught is non-signal, the eigenvector that correspond to the largest eigenvalue of this formula is the optimum AL that maximize the JLL. The optimal kernel function is determined by finding the kernel that yields the biggest value. So here is the formula K1 comma K2. So where Ki is the kernel metric for the training set, Ki Kj F is the kernel metric of the training set, and between Ki and Kj the Frobenius inner product. It has been a while demonstrated that if the datasets chosen are sufficiently meshed with each other, these datasets are referred to be the combined. So in the third step, the sorting the databases, we utilize class separately as a metric to see if the combined data is set up the correctly and the correct sequence, that to determine how successfully the data is sorted separately within the merged dataset is necessary. The ratio of the super agilities can be used to express it. So here is the formula where J14 J naught A naught. So where J naught and A naught are denote the class separately yielded by the most dominant kernel of the composite. So as you seen there, the for another dataset, JRS is the class separately provided by the most dominant kernel. As the result, relative uh, separately may be stated as 14 comma, where is the most dominant eigenvalue of the composite data to be evaluated and is the most dominant eigenvalue of the combined entire data. So in the last step, the merge the databases. Finally, we consider merging the combined databases from step 3 among the kernel ki I 1 by 4 1 1 semicolon 2 semicolon and up to so on p. So we will turn R to maximize to this formula for the imperial alignment as follow. So as you seen that the argument is maximum argument of the frob is the maximum argument of the eigen value. So here let us introduce the generalized Rayleigh coefficient, which is given by Jp is equal to p power t vp over p power t up. The simplified eigenvector of Vr G is sought to given R, where D indicates the eigenvalue. We can compute the composite data dependent kernel matter after we have found the optimum composite coefficient R, which is eigenvector corresponding to the greatest eigenvalue D. We may proceed to recombine the data from all institution into tiny sets of merged data as shown in the figure. Since we have related all cloud data which make use of the data dependent component kernel starting from step 1 to 3. So here is the AMD algorithm where we have see the fourth step. The step 1 is split each database by maximizing the Fisher scalar, and the step 2 the combine other dataset if the alignment measure of the dataset is high, and the step 3 sorting, and the step 4 is merging. So as you see the all step, now we talking about the advantage of AMD algorithm. The suggested AMD technique has the significant benefit of the cross of the compressing numerous datasets into integrated databases with restricted data sizes. So these compresses databases are easier to work with than the original databases, implying a decrease in computing time, memory, and operating cost. Now we will talking about the implementation of AMD for two cloud cases. The four steps in AMD are implemented into the two platform, private and public cloud, which are commercially available. We will demonstrate how the proposed cloud clonography is specifically adapted to these widely available environments. Private cloud, the initial cloud clonography specification, the layered implementation of the private cloud architecture and its architectural components is depicted in this diagram. The patient CTC datasets are handled by the clinical IT team or a third party entity at a particular institution hospital, and they are hosted either internally or outside. As you see the diagram, there are four layers: AMD monitoring management, CAD processing, layer 3 radiology service desk, and the four is secure connecting. So self-managed data center and servers are often capital in intensive needed space hardware environments. So in the layer ones, AMD management monitoring data, this layer is topmost layer, consists of the managed CT AMD module that monitor the feature of CT database. So as you see that in this layer, we create a silent feature space, compare existing data to the new dataset, and prepare shared dataset for analysis the subsequent layer. So in the second layer, all of the CAD decision making from the layers one collecting is done in this layer. This layer is where the processing takes place. This CAD processing entails the following: patient and cancer identification are the example of cancer detection for the purpose of diagnosis, and radiology service desk and the security connecting layer. Radiology service, this layer allows the summarization of the result to improve radiological efficiency as well as visualization and annotation. So these are the fourth layer is secure connecting layer. Qualified client server cloud app have been customized for the clinical use evaluate. So in the next case too, the public case, cloud computing may also be expanded to a dispersed group of servers that run in multiple places but are still connected to a single network or hub services. So when cloud computing services are delivered across a network that is accessible to different hospital, it is referred to as the public cloud scenario. Rather than for using a single database, the suggested AMD based KPC technique improves. So the public and private cloud architecture are nearly identical in terms of technology, we use well-known cloud infrastructure service business like Amazon, AWS, Microsoft, and IBM to run the infrastructure for cloud clonography. In this case, in this case, you see that all the databases is combined in the 3.4 parallelization of AMD using the MATLAB Parallel Toolbox. Parallelized script for a public cloud server are presented to optimize KPC. The parallel reduces our AMD database data parallelization and second KPC process parallelization. MATLAB task schedulers are used to MATLAB distributed computing servers to distribute data and computational load to cloud nodes. So in this figure 7, you know that we need to two criteria to maximize overall performance: reducing inter-node data transfer or computational speed. So reducing data for memory access requirement. The proposed criteria are intended to improve the computational independence of node. The function of suggested modules 1 and 2 is depicted in the pseudocode below. These procedures are shorten the time it takes to pattern recognize algorithm. So you have seen that they have two modules and one head node optimization. So you see there is the module 2. We saw that the pseudocode algorithm, in this case there are training process, input parameter how and output, and locate and load node data and assign node worker and corresponding data by data index, initiate cloud controller, compute intermediate and grammatics according to the kernel parameter, terminated cloud controller. The suggested head node is intended to bring the two parallelization technique together. The pseudo code below explain how to set database using one and two module. Now I would like to call Mohammed Mursaleen to explain the classification evaluation of cloud clonography.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Mursaleen. In this section, classification evaluation of cloud clonography, we evaluate the proposed cloud clonography in database with classification criteria and its results. In testing process for parallelization algorithm, in which input we have test samples, parameter we have kernel models, kernel projector models, and output we get in as decision class. Data will begin user data parallelization algorithm and compute kernel projections of these samples and employ classifier models to test class of test samples. We have different cloud settings. We have a database which have 464 CDC cases that obtained from different institutes of United States and Europe. We have total 3,776 cases, in which 136 are true positives and remaining are false positives, that given in this table. Next. In this table, we apply 40% fold cross variation for evaluation. In this training data and testing data are separate from each other, and simultaneously we will execute it in MATLAB environment. For the parallel computing execution, the requirement of processor will be i7 processor, 3.6 Hz clock speed, and 16 GB of DDR3 memory RAM. To evaluate these results in above database, each database used for classification results using associated multiple database. We connect with the database in to assemble database using cloud settings. The CAD classifier results mainly come from choice database. Cloud clonography help to calculate the classification of accuracy, the true positive rate. Next. The true positive rate characterize the diagnostic test execution. For the order of positive rate, we calculate a true positive rate by using this given formula of true positive over true positive plus true false negative. And next part is we calculate false positive rate by using given formula false positive over false positive plus true negative. We also calculate the area under the curve by using following formula. We classify the accuracy of assembled database. For every database of assembling database, calculate area under the curve using the AUC value of every assembling database. We calculate assembled ACU that present in this following table. In this following table, we have semioid and Gaussian database separate from semioid and polynomial database results, and semioid and linear database results. Due to the limited data, the proposed statistical analysis of AMD we applied to the multiple database, which revealed that CTC data are substantially based toward FPs, the average ratio between TP and FP, true positive rate and false positive rate. The total number of genuine polynomial identified the patient database of the CTC. We used KNN method to classify with parameter K, calculate the performance of true positive rate by using K variable in ROC analysis. In all 5 cloud scenarios, cloud computing settings and cancer database, computation time, memory usage, running cost, and parallelization, cloud colonoscopy with AMD demonstration ACU performed the classification in managing and AMD. The results in this next section will validate the capacity to track the change with the growing database size. Now, next word will explain Merin Adil.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Miriam. I will be presenting section 5 of this research paper. It is titled as Cloud Computing Performance. This section has 5 parts. As you can see, the first one is cloud computing setting with cancer databases. The second is computation time. Then memory usage, running cost, and parallelization. Let's start this discussion with section 1, in which, as you can see, there is a table shown where there are databases of for cloud computing analysis. The table shows how the databases are formed in AMD. The databases have been generated from a previous table from one of the previous sections of both private and public cloud environment. These three databases are the, the synthesis of the existing 19 databases by merging them into the cloud server. The classification is similar to section 4, which has been discussed before. Moving on, we will discuss one of the figures which shows the compressed data ratio in vertical axis of cloud chronography network as the total network size on the horizontal axis increases. The three databases for the cloud environment are used for the analysis of how the proposed method handles the larger data set sizes. Basically, it is explaining the compression ratio of the data at the size of the AMD feature space, and then it is comparing it to the size of the raw data. As the data increases, the compressed ratio also decreases. Moving on, we will there's a picture that shows the results. As you can see in this graph, they have shown the data compression ratio for data size. In the next section, the analysis of time required for processing was with AMD was discussed. All the experiments were done on MATLAB using statistical pattern recognition tool from the grand matrix calculation and kernel projection. For further processing, private cloud environments were used, and CPU time command helped in determining the runtime. More figures were determined to check the differences of the databases to get more information on how the data size and the time changes based on different results. The difference was relatively small, and you can see in these figure 9 and 10, the difference was very small and not as much as one would expect. If we were to compare figure 9 with figure 10, the time was improved, but the data was still the same. A private cloud requires more computation time than the desktop time, but overall the databases number increased, but not as much in the average total time in the training section. Next, please. In table 8, as you can see, they have discussed the computation time of private cloud, which was 18% larger than desktop. But on average basis, it was also 18%, making desktop faster than private cloud. Due to data compression, the huge reduction of the computation time was achieved by AMD. Figure 9 and 10 also show the proposed method being computationally efficient. Thus, cloud chronography was better suited to handle long-term sequences, not short-term. In the next figure, in figure 11, they have shown the implementation time for gram metrics in cloud chronography with AMD. It also shows that desktop are faster than private cloud for all three databases. Next, please. Furthermore, the degree of memory used in cloud chronology with AMD was discussed according to the changes in the data size. Figure 12 explains the effect of the size, increasing data size. It also shows the proposed framework required more memory. There was no difference of memory use among cloud environments examined in this case study. More efficient methods are required for memory usage as the data size keeps increasing. And as we know, as data keeps increasing, the speed of the computation data will obviously slow down. And you can see this in table 9 and figure 12. The next section mentions the running cost of cloud service. The service providers typically charge based on the usage of memory, computation amount, storage data, transfer speed, and subscription type. But for this research paper, these all these services were offered for free, but for public it is not the same. It is charged on different at different cost for different usages, and different results are shown based on what services are being provided. And in the table, you can see that as the size increases, the training time and total cost increased as well. The last section was is sorry. The last section is parallelization, which was proposed to describe section 3.4, which was tested on both private and public cloud environment. Computation time for large uncompressed and unified database was improved, and the summary of the uncompressed data's time of training was summarized in table 12 as shown below for private and in table 13 for public. Both tables show the computation time was improved greatly due to parallelism. The result was compared, and they understood a better criteria for both table 12 and 13. One more table derived for the computation. It showed how the time was being reduced for the proposed AMD compared to other studies as done before. The comparison results prove the efficient computation performance of AMD. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Rizwan, and now I will explain about the conclusion of this all this case study. So kindly upload. Now we will explain about the overall conclusion of this all the case study related to the clonography. We proposed of a new framework of the cloud clonography that uses to be a sectional variation in the cloud computing environment. As in the section 3, we proposed a working about the AMD methods and show the overall concept of the AMD. As my member Armaganu Rahman Musleen and Muhammad Ali Bhatt and Mehreen also explained you about the AMD for the cloud computing environment and explain more detail about the designing of the AMD and show the two implementation courses for the selected public cloud computing and show for their proposed parallelization that we evaluate the proposed cloud clonography in database with the classification criteria and to be find out the result of the given classification result in the whole section 5 the researchers evaluate the private and public cloud scenarios in the expected of the proposed design in cloud computing. The database for a CETC scanning checkout for their working and proposed techniques of AMD turn into their development and have to be a look for a green dealing with a more to be a CTC database where AMD is used for assembling database and is to be acquired nearly 100% clearly accuracy. The proposed AMD has to be a potential for the central classify devices into the cloud computing framework for version based CAD scheme in order to yield excessive detection performance of POLBs using KPCA for database as multiple institutions as my friend Armagano Rivan explained you about. Two more cases inside the proposed competition times. However, the memory you see changing into the equal parallelism, the parallelizations of the given values related to the AMD to be explained the public cloud finally a higher than to be a personal cloud and effective to improve the speed and fee. The CTC based on CAD in the cloud computing surrounding in anticipated to improve their clinical implementation or cancer screening and sell the earlier prognosis of their colon cancers. Thank you so much.